Presenting the new Redmi Note 10s. It is available in 3 different colors: frost white, deep sea blue and shadow black. The phone comes in 2 variants, 6GB RAM and 64GB memory, and the other variant comes in 6GB RAM and 128GB memory. Memory can be expanded up to 512GB. This phone is dual SIM capable with dual standby, 4G plus 4G. It is a 6.43-inch Full HD Super AMOLED display. It has a resolution of 1080x2040 pixels with 20:9 aspect ratio. It has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for security. The phone is equipped with quad camera setup. Main camera has 64-megapixel lens. There is 8-megapixel ultra-wide with 118-degree field of view (FOV), 2-megapixel tele macro and 2-megapixel